How to install or download TinyTask on your mobile or on your device, phone, wherever you're using this. For this, what you have to do is simply search for how to download TinyTask on device or on mobile phone, and then click on the TinyTask official website. As you can see, I will click in. Here you can see the file name is tinytask.extension version 1.77 and the supported OS is Windows OS. So yes, there is no direct feature to simply download the TinyTask on your mobile phone. Instead, you can only use it on your PC or on your laptop. But there is a way you can use it on mobile phone is you can simply turn off or turn your mobile phone on the desktop mode and try to log in TinyTask website. If you cannot, then there is no direct feature to get it on your phone. Instead, you can download any version of application. If you want it for the PC, you can download it. Now here also I will show you a second website like this, Softonic. You can also check this website on your phone if that is available for your phone, and if not, then this is only for PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.